South Philippine dwarf kingfisher is a species of bird in the family Alcedinidae that is endemic to the Philippines. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It is threatened by habitat loss. Its scientific name is Cix mindanensis. It is found in the virgin and second growth forests in the islands of Mindanao and Basilan. Kagapo, also called owl parrot, is a species of large flightless nocturnal ground-dwelling parrot of the superfamily Strigopoidea. Endemic to New Zealand, it has finely blotched yellow-green plumage, a distinctive facial disc, a large grey beak, short legs, large feet, and relatively short wings and tail. Its scientific name is Strigops habroptilus. Walden's hornbill, locally called Dalangan, also known as the Visayan wrinkled hornbill, rufous-headed hornbill, or writhed-billed hornbill, is a critically endangered species of hornbill living in the rainforests on the islands of Negros and Panay in the Philippines. Its scientific name is Aceros waldeni. The blue-eyed ground dove is a species of bird in the family Columbidae. It is endemic to the Cerrado region of Brazil. It is critically endangered. Its scientific name is Columbina cyanopis. The golden pheasant, also known as the Chinese pheasant and rainbow pheasant, is a game bird of the order Galliformes and the family Phasianidae. The genus name is from ancient Greek chrysolophus with golden crest, and pictus is Latin for painted from pingere to paint. Its scientific name is Chrysolophus pictus. The imperial Amazon or Dominican Amazon, also known as the Cicero, is a parrot found only on the Caribbean island of Dominica. It has been designated as the national bird of Dominica. The species is critically endangered. In 2019, it was estimated there were only about 50 mature individuals left in the wild. Its scientific name is Amazona imperialis. The Cebu flowerpecker is a small passerine bird. It is endemic to Cebu Island in the Philippines, feared to have become extinct early in the 20th century. It was rediscovered in 1992 in a small patch of limestone forest in the central Cebu protected landscape. Its scientific name is Dacium quadricolor. It is critically endangered. The white-winged duck or white-winged wood duck is a large species of duck formerly placed in the genus Carina with Muscovy duck and allied with dabbling ducks. It is critically endangered. Its scientific name is Acercornis scutellata. The New Caledonian owlet niger, also known as the enigmatic owlet niger, is a large owlet niger with vermiculated grey-brown and black plumage. It has a long, slightly rounded tail, short rounded wings, and long stout legs. The bird is endemic to the island of New Caledonia, which is in the South Pacific Ocean to the east of Australia. It is critically endangered. Its scientific name is Egothelus savesi. The Antiochia brushfinch is a poorly known species of bird from the family Passeridae. The bird is endemic to Antioquia of Colombia. The bird is critically endangered. Its scientific name is Atelopetes blancei. The Himalayan quail or mountain quail is a medium-sized quail belonging to the pheasant family. It was last reported in 1876 and is feared extinct. The bird is found in Western Himalayas in Uttarakhand and northwest India. Its scientific name is Ophryacia superciliosa. Strassman's bristle front is a long-tailed burrow-nesting songbird named for the bristly-looking tuft of feathers on its forehead. It belongs to the large family Rhinocryptidae, known as the Tapacules. The bird is critically endangered. It is endemic to Brazil. Its scientific name is Merulaxis strassmani. The Vogelkop superbird of paradise or crescent-caped Lopharina, sometimes noted as the curl-caped bird of paradise, is a species of the Padicidae family. It is endemic to the Bird's Head Peninsula in New Guinea. Its scientific name is Lopharina nieda. The Madagascar pochard is an extremely rare diving duck of genus Aithia, thought to be extinct in the late 1990s. Later rediscovered at Lake Marsaborimena near Bhimanevika in Madagascar. The bird is critically endangered. Its scientific name is Aithia inotata. Spixus macaw, also known as the little blue macaw, is a macaw native to Brazil. It is a member of tribe Aruani in the subfamily Aruanae, part of the family Psittacidae. Its scientific name is Cyanopsitta spixi. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, share among your friends and relatives, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.